Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about the relative reference. How can we use relative reference in Excel? So first of all, what we will do is we will calculate based on this table here. So here there is customer name column, quantity column, price column, and we have to calculate the sales as per the quantity and price. So first of all, what we will do is we will type equal to, then I'll select G5 and multiply by price. So it will give the sales, and we'll drag till bottom so it will fill in all the rows. So by this, and we can also convert it into a currency symbol. So for currency symbol, what we'll do is we will go to this home, and here in the number format, what we will do is we will click on this drop down, and then I'll change it to currency. So as you can see here, there is hash sign popping up. So I'll do this, and if I do this over here, decrease decimals, so I'll get the currency in currency format, all the sales, and also I can change price into currency format by clicking here in the number format. So here as so this is how you can use relative references to reference all the all the required information, so you can calculate based on the references. So that's a quick wrap up about relative references. In the next video we will learn how can we use absolute references in Excel. So for today, so I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.